Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student Bachelor English as a foreign language, and today I want to explain you my final exam, task 6 from my course Language Foreign Function. This topic is called reduplication. The reduplication is part of the process word formation. The reduplication is similar to the derivation. I mean, here the initial syllable or maybe all the words is double. This kind of process word formation is very common for the children in the English language, but it's not common. Maybe it could be common for other language, but not for English. The reduplication has different kinds. Here we have 3 of them. The first one is exact reduplication, the second one is ablative reduplication, and the third one is rhyme reduplication. The exact reduplication, we can see some examples like papa, mama, goody, goody, so, hush, hush, never, never. While for the second one, I mean ablative reduplication, here the vowel is alternate while the consonants are identical. Example: crisscross, zigzag, flip-flop, mish-mash, wish-wash, and in final we have the rhyme reduplication. Here is opposite to the second one. I mean, here the consonants change while the vowel remain the same. Example: hodge, podge, woody, doody, rustle, darcel, boogie, woogie, meaty, witty. Now, in this topic, also we can say that the reduplication can be formed with 2 main form parts. Example: flowers, power, brain drain, culture, volunteer, boy toy, or hair smart. The reduplication has 4 functions. The first one is when can express disparagement. The second one is intensification. The third one is diminution, and finally we have the alternation. As you can see here, we have some example for each one. The first one is navy, Bambi. The second one for intensification is super duper. For diminution is teeny weeny, and finally we can see the alternation in on. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoy my videos and see you the next opportunity. Goodbye.